Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date May 11, 2021. Let's start with international news. PESCO, European Union approves US participation for the first time. The European Union recently approved the request of Norway, Canada and United States to participate in the permanent structured cooperation called PESCO. It is a defense initiative. This is the first time European bloc has allowed the third state to participate in the PESCO project. The countries will now participate in the military mobility project in Europe. Let's see about military mobility project. It is to aid the free movement of military units in the European Union through the improvement of infrastructure and removal of bureaucratic barriers. It mainly revolves around two areas, namely bureaucratic barriers like passport check and the requirement of advance notice. What is PESCO? It is a part of the European Union security and defense policy. It was introduced based on the Treaty of the European Union, introduced by the Treaty of Lisbon in 2009. Around 4/5 of the PESCO members are also NATO members. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to attend European Council meet. The port of City, which is located in Portugal, was illuminated last night to mark the historic and first ever India-European Union plus 27 all leaders meet, said Sandeep Chakravarti, Indian diplomat and Joint Secretary of Europe West. Prime Minister of Portugal, Antonio Costa, hosted the India-European Union leaders meetings. The presidency of the European Union Council is currently held by Portugal. It was hosted by Portugal country. ISRO develops 3 cost-effective ventilators, oxygen concentrators. The Indian Space Research Organization's Vikram Sarabhai Space Center VSSC in Tirunelveli said it has developed 3 different types of ventilators and an oxygen concentrators at a time when a shortage of these critical medical equipment resulted in death of many COVID-19 patients across the country. Likely to be priced around rupees 1 lakh, the ventilators developed by the ISRO were cost effective and easy to handle when comparing to the mini conventional ventilators that are currently priced around rupees 5 lakhs. VSSC Vikram Sarabhai Space Center Director is S. Somnath. National news. Tracking coronavirus around the world. More than 1.3 billion vaccine doses have been administered worldwide, equal to 17 doses for every 100 people. The data is compiled from government source by the Our World in Data project at the University of Oxford. There is also a striking divide between continents. Africa has the lowest vaccination rate of any continent, with some countries yet to start mass vaccination campaigns. 1. Israel 63%, Britain 52%, UAE 51%. These are the countries who highly vaccinating countries. Nepal Kamesh writer scales Everest for record 25th time. Nepalese climber scaled Mount Everest for the 25th time on Friday, breaking his own record for the most ascents of the world highest peak. Writer 51 first scaled Everest in 1994 and has been making the trip nearly every year since then. He is one of many Sherpa guides whose expertise and skill are vital to the safety and success of the hundreds of climbers who head to Nepal each year seeking to stand on top of the 8848 meter mountain Everest. His other achievements are: Writer has scaled several other peaks that are K2 Karakoram Range, Choyu, Manzulu and Hotsay. Suvendu Adhikari elected opposition leader in West Bengal Assembly. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad announced Adhikari as leader of the BJP Legislative Party in the Assembly. Adhikari had won the election from Nandigram Assembly seats, defeating Mamata Banerjee. Tamil Nadu news. Edappadi K. Palanisamy elected as leader of opposition in Tamil Nadu Assembly. Palanisamy has been elected unanimously by the new MLAs. However, perhaps for the first time, the leader of the AIADMK legislature party has been announced after much opposition within the party and after prolonged discussions. Appointments. Rafael Nadal, Naomi Osaka wins a top Rurals Sports Award. Rafael Nadal won Rurals Sportsman of the Year Award. Naomi Osaka backed the Rurals Sports Woman of the Year Award. Bayern Munich won the Rurals World Team of the Year Award. Tennis player Rafael Nadal and Naomi Osaka picked up the Rurals Sportsman and Sports Woman of the Year Award on Thursday with the football star Mohamed Saleh and Formula 1 world champion Lewis Hamilton also recognized. World number 2 Nadal claimed his 4th Rurals award as he was recognized for his 13th French Open tennis and record equaling 20th major. Osaka, who won the US Open tennis for the second time and has 4 majors, is now a 2-time Rurals winner. Anupam Kher wins Best Actress at NYCIFF 2021. Anupam Kher won the accolade of the Best Actor at the New York City International Film Festival. He received the honor for his role in the short film named Happy Birthday. The short film that co-star Hana S. Kumra also bagged the Best Short Film Award and was nominated in several other categories. Happy Birthday, this short film was directed by Prasad Kadam, known for his visual effects. Books. Kalki Kolichin writes a book on motherhood. Actor Kalki Kolichin is making her first debut as an author with a illustrated non-fiction book on motherhood titled Elephant in the Womb. The graphic book, illustrated by Valeria Polianchuk, will be published this year, announced publisher Penguin Random House India. About this book, candid, funny and relatable account taking about pregnancy and parenting for mothers, expectant mothers and anyone even think about motherhood. Important days. National Technology Day 2021. Theme of this year, Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. National Technology Day is celebrated every year on May 11th to highlight the achievements of engineers and scientists in the field of technology and science. It was first observed on May 11th, 1999 and aims to commemorate the scientific and technological achievements of Indian scientists and engineers. History of this day. Former Indian Prime Minister late Atal Bihari Vajpayee coined this term to celebrate the contributions made by Indian scientists. May 11th is also the day when India conducts the first successful test in Pokhran on May 11th, 1998. India successfully fired the Shakti-1 nuclear missile at an army test range in Rajasthan, Pokhran. Expected questions. Question number 1. Which country topped the list of countries with the highest corona vaccination published on the World in Data website? Option A, Israel. Option B, Britain. Option C, UAE. Option D, America. Answer, Israel. Question number 2. Which organization developed low-cost ventilators and oxygen concentrator? Option A, NASA. Option B, ISRO. Option C, DRDO. Option D, Serum Institute of India. Answer, ISRO. Question number 3. Name the book authored by Kalki Koechlin. Option A, The Bench. Option B, Carrying the Fire. Option C, Elephant in the Womb. Option D, Anatomy. Answer, Elephant in the Womb. Question number 4. How many times have Nepalese Kamirita to climb Mount Everest and break her own record? Option A, 24. Option B, 25. Option C, 28. Option D, 30. Answer, 25. Question number 5. When was World Technology Day observed? Option A, May 11th. Option B, May 9th. Option C, May 8th. Option D, May 12th. Answer, May 11th. Question number 6. Who is elected as the leader of opposition in Tamil Nadu Assembly? Option A, O. Pannirselvam. Option B, Dinakaran. Option C, Edappadi K. Palanisamy. Option D, Seemon. Answer, Edappadi K. Palanisamy. Question number 7. Who won the Best Actor Award at the New York City International Film Festival? Option A, Amir Khan. Option B, Ranveer Singh. Option C, Anupam Gir. Option D, Varun Dhawan. Answer, Anupam Gir. Question number 8. Which short film won the Best Film Award in the New York City International Film Festival? Option A, Happy Birthday. Option B, Wedding Wishes. Option C, Mumbai Saha. Option D, Student of the Year. Answer, Happy Birthday. Question number 9. Who was conferred with the Laureus Sportswoman of the Year Award? Option A, Maria Sharapova. Option B, Naomi Osaka. Option C, Serena Williams. Option D, Billie Jean King. Option Answer, Naomi Osaka. Question number 10. Who was conferred with Laureus Sportsman of the Year Award? Option A, Novak Djokovic. Option B, Peter Martin. Option C, Rafael Nadal. Option D, Mohamed Salah. Answer, Rafael Nadal. Question number 11. Where was European Union Council held recently? Option A, Italy. Option B, Portugal. Option C, Spain. Option D, Brazil. Answer, Portugal. Question number 12. Who represented India at the European Union Leaders Meeting? Option A, Narendra Modi. Option B, Jaishankar. Option C, Venkaiah Naidu. Option D, Narendra Singh Tomar. Answer, Narendra Modi. For the daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.